dear 10th class students. Hope you all are fine and watching the video lessons regularly and attentively. Today we are going to see a new listening story, Attitude is Everything. In our earlier classes we have seen attitude is altitude. You know very well how our positive attitude will help us in every aspect of our life. Here, a beautiful story regarding attitude. Attitude is everything. Once there was a farmer in Africa who was happy and content. Look children, here that farmer was happy and content. No, content means be satisfied. Here, he was happy because he was content. And he was content because he was happy. Okay children, happiness and contentment will go together. Understand children? He was happy because he was content. He was content because he was happy. Here, a wise man came to him and told him about the glory of the diamonds and the power that goes along with them. Okay, the wise man told him, if you had a diamond the size of your thumb, then you will have your own city. Okay children? And if you had a diamond the size of your fist, then you can own your own country. The wise man told him and went away. That night, the farmer couldn't sleep. Why children? May I know the reason? Why couldn't he sleep? Yes? Because there is a desire in his mind about the diamonds. After knowing the glory of diamonds, he wants to get diamonds. And he was unhappy and discontent. He was unhappy because he was discontent. And he was discontent because he was unhappy. Understand children? When we are unhappy, we can't be satisfied. Here, with the desire of getting diamonds, the farmer couldn't sleep and he felt discontent. And the very next morning, he made arrangements to sell off his farm and took care of his family and went in search of diamonds. He searched all through Africa. He couldn't get any. He searched all over Europe. He couldn't get any. And when he got to Spain finally, he was physically, emotionally and financially broke. That means finally, when he got to Spain, when he reached Spain, he was physically and emotionally and financially broke. Understand children? He couldn't find any diamonds. He felt so disheartened that he threw himself into the Barcelona river and committed suicide. How pity! He felt so disheartened that he threw himself into the Barcelona river and committed suicide. Okay children. And here, back home, the farmer who had bought his farm, he was watering the camels at a stream. The rays of morning sun fell on a stone and made it sparkle like a rainbow. And that new farmer thought that would look good on his mantelpiece. And as soon as he thought like that, he picked up that stone, sparkling stone, and took home and kept it on his mantelpiece in the living room. That afternoon, the wise man again came. After looking at that sparkling stone, he asked, "Is Hafiz back?" The new farmer said, "No, why do you ask like this?" Then the wise man replied that, "I saw that sparkling stone and I recognized one, and that is a diamond." Then the new farmer said, "No, it's just a stone. I picked up from the stream. That stream ran through our farm. Come, I will show you. There are many more number of stones are there." Okay. And he took that wise man to farm. And there they saw thousands of stones like that in the acres of land. And then they picked up some stones and sent to the investigation. And there, sure enough, all the stones were diamonds. That means that farmer's land was filled with full of diamonds. Thousands of diamonds. That whole land is filled with diamonds. But that farmer searched all over Africa, all over Europe, and he couldn't find any. Finally, he committed suicide. After listening to this story, what do you understand? Tell me. Yes? See here. The positive qualities and the virtues within us, they are diamonds. We have to recognize them for the betterment of our future, for the enrichment of our futures. We have to recognize the plus point, the merits, the good qualities, the positive points of our life. We have to encourage ourselves. We have to sharpen our abilities. We have to take care of our good qualities like sincerity, truthfulness, straightforwardness, honesty, discipline, dedication, determination. All these are positive qualities which are within us. We have to recognize them. We have to make them, bring into use for the betterment of our futures. We have to focus on the plus points which are within us. They are the diamonds. Our virtues are our diamonds. Our positive qualities are our diamonds. We have to focus on them so that our future will be progressive. Understand, children? Thank you for listening to this story attentively, and I feel you grasped the essence of the story and keeping the practice. Okay, my dear children, wish you good luck. Till we meet again in next class. Bye bye.
Dear children, just now you have listened to a story about a farmer. Here are some sentences that describe the events in the story. They are not in the order in which they occur in the story. Listen to the story attentively and arrange them in the order in which they occur. Okay, children, this is your work today. Till we meet again, good luck, children. Bye bye.